Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to change the location of your Shopify store. So first thing that you should do is you just have to log in to your Shopify store. So you just have to open any of your web browser. All right. Then after that, you just have to log in. Now right here, just have to click on the settings at the bottom left corner of your screen. Okay, that's right. Then here, you just have to look for the locations options. So we have here the locations. So simply click on this one. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds and then right here, just have to select your current locations. For example, you would like to change your location. So click on the shop location right here. That's right. And then you have here the address. So click on the pencil icon. And then you can now change the country region, the address, the apartment details, and etc. You can also add here the postal code, the city, your region, and then your phone numbers. For example, we would like to, use another region for this one. For example, we are from Netherlands. So just have to click on it. And then you just have to add here the street and house number of your store location, the apartment, the postal code, the city, and the phone number. After that, you just have to click on the save option. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.